Hello people, today I'm gonna show you how to create a boomerang effect with your Final Cut Pro 10, and it's simple. So let's get started. For a normal video with a boomerang effect, you can just create a normal 4K resolution video. If not, you can always come here and select custom, and if you are using 1080p, you can just use 1080 and 1080. If not, it's 2160 times 2160 and mix up the frame rate. And this is designed for Instagram, and I'll show you how to do it with the normal resolution first. So let's get started. This is a video and it's already in my timeline. This clip is actually ultra slow, so I've already fast forward about 2000%. Yep, cut this to be right in the moment where they're still in the air, something like that. For me to have a normal loop, I can just press option and bring it up and just bring it over to like this, and this is like a loop already, and you can just copy and paste it a few times, so it's like this. This is like a loop already. But for me to have a boomerang kind of effect, I need to reverse the clip. So I need to select this clip and hit reverse clip, and yep, it's something like that. So I have to copy both clips and copy and paste them a few times. So this is like the standard boomerang kind of a loop for this video, and it's very simple. As you can see that all these clips are already in a loop. I'm gonna copy them and paste it over to the new timeline, final Instagram resolution timeline. And if you're satisfied, that's all right. If not, you can just smart conform or just scale it up like this, and here you go, your standard Instagram sized boomerang. Yep, easy. And you can add in titles, effects, whatever, and up your Instagram's game. And that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and bye bye.